So hi friends, hello. In this video, we will create a PHP API for getting the date time of a particular time zone. Basically, in the API, we will pass the time zone, and the API returns the date time of that particular time zone. But before calling the API, we plot the list of time zones, all the list of the time zone on the HTML. So first we have to install a plugin, npm plugin, to get the time zones list, and later we will call the API to get the date time of particular time zone. So first install the plugin and get the list of time zones. So let's start now. So for the installing the plugin, we require this command npm I install time zones list, and just click enter. Installed. Now we have to import, yes, time zones from time zones list, and here declare a array time zones array of type any, and inside ng on it time zones array is equal to time zones. So time zones array contains all the list of time zones. So now let's plot these time zones inside HTML. So let's open HTML page. So as you can see, we used iron card, and inside iron card content we used ng4 to populate the time zones. So we just loop through the time zones array and populate each property like label, th code, name, utc. So when we run this code, all the list will be shown on the HTML page, and also we will plot here the list total length of the array, time zone array. So it will show how many time zones are available in the array. So let's run first. Later we will call the API after this. A spelling mistake of the time zones, so let's write uh, this one. So I think all is okay now. So let's check on the browser. So as you can see, total 424 list of time zones, and you can see there are a lot of objects. uh, as you can see, it's not ending. Lot of, you have label, you have th code, you have name, and you have utc in every object. So now check the API for getting the date time of a particular time zone. We have to check the API, PHP API. We will call the API by clicking any of the object. Like if you click here, we have to get the time zone, date time of of this particular time zone. So first we have to check the PHP API. So let's check. So this is the API get current date time, and you can see we receiving time zone from the client side in the time zone variable, and after that we set date default time zone, and then we get the date of the specific format, and we return the particular date time to the client. So this piece of code will return the date time of the particular time zone. So we have to pass the time zone, selected time zone, and this code will do all the things. So let's call this API from the Ionic app. So let's declare a method get date time, and in this method let pass time zone. And so let's declare URL first, URL of the PHP API. Now we use fetch to call the API, and it returns promise. So inside promise we have response.text, and it also returns promise, which includes date time. And we pass date time in alert function, and it will alert the date time. So let's call this function from the HTML get. So as you can see, on click get time function is called, and time zone.tz code is passed. This value is passed in the function, and hope it works. Let's check on browser. So page is loading. As you can see, we have many time zones. Let's go to the mine time zone. So this is Asia Kolkata. Let's click here. So it returns the date time of this time zone, and I, all will work same. You can click any time zone and you will get particular date time. So all working. So if you like this video, it's helpful for you, please subscribe the channel, like the video, and wait for the next video. We'll back soon. Thank you.